And welcome. Let's look at Waec 2019 government past question number 4. The body responsible for the execution of the policies of the government is the A. Pressure Group, B. Civil Service, C. Constitutional Conference, D. Electoral Commission. So who are those people that implement the policies of the government? It is the civil servants. I hope you know that. So once you're employed by government, you are a civil servant. So they are the people. So we say that the civil servants are government servants. They are actually government servants or messengers. And their duty is what? Implementing. Their duty is what? Implementing government programs. Implementing government programs. That's what they do. So B is rightly the answer. Pressure group try to coerce or persuade the government. That's what they do. They try to persuade government to do something. Constitutional Conference try to have a meeting or a conference where they can bring out ideas that are good for the nation. That's what they try to do in constitutional government. The Electoral Commission, they organize elections. They organize elections like your INEC. People that when there is problem in election, they try to sort it out. So the right option is number B. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel.